Welcome to the summer and welcome to my new special studio. And for the summer, I have a very special product here with me. And I'm so happy to introduce Insta360 GO 3S. You can see in the box, it's written 4K. So this tiny little Insta360 GO 3S, you can enjoy it at 4K. So now let me start recording. So right now I'm at this beautiful beach and you're seeing me at 4K resolution. And when I wave it around, you can see that the tilt is completely fixed because now there is a new function, tilt fixed. So it's as if, you know, with this tiny little camera, you have 3-axis gimbal right there. Let's enjoy 4K resolution of Insta360 GO 3S. On the outlook, you may think the new Insta360 GO 3S is basically the same thing as Insta360 GO 3. However, there is a huge upgrade for the new camera. This is an upgrade from the predecessor Insta360 GO 3, which only had 2.7K resolution. On a small screen of YouTube, you may not see the difference, so let me enlarge it. I've doubled the size of both footages and you can really see that 4K resolution at the new Insta360 GO 3S wins. This is another example and you can see a clear difference that 4K resolution in the new camera is the winner. With the new camera, you can enjoy 2.7K resolution with 50 frames per second. So I can actually slow it down by half and enjoy a little bit of slow motion. But in the slow motion menu with the new camera, you get to enjoy up to 100 frames per second at 2.7K resolution. But if you go down to 1080p resolution, then you can enjoy 200 frames per second. Another big upgrade is this new View FOV, which enjoys less distortions at the edges and sharper, cleaner edges. You can see the improvement a lot better when I have my camera nearer the horizon. You can also tell the difference between View FOV against linear FOV. So Insta360 GO 3S, one of the things that I love about this GO series is that you can go as tiny as possible. So I can just click and take it off. So if a family holiday, you guys are at the beach, and with children, pets and so on, of course, you want to go completely hands-free. And this Insta360 GO 3S allows you to do that because this little tiny camera is magnetic. Hands-free. And once I have this remote control, then I know exactly what I'm filming right now. This magnet pendant included in the box is so handy and it is an upgraded version, more round, so it sits even more comfortably on your chest. The change design also now has new inner layer insulation design with improved heat dissipation experience as well. Just tuck it in under the shirt and the magnetic is so strong that it even works at 2mm wetsuit. Now I'm completely hands-free so I can go and do the activities that I love. And the new Insta360 GO 3S, it can go up to 10 meters underwater, which is another upgrade from Insta360 GO 3, which only went up to 5 meters underwater. With the magnetic pendant, it's so simple to just take the camera off and then also take selfie as well. For the standalone camera, I double-clicked the button, so I actually shot in free-frame video mode, which means in the post-editing process, I can change the frame size to whatever I need, the horizontal or 1x1 or 16:9, the vertical shot, perfect for the reels. As the video length while I was at the beach, it was rather long, so I ended up pressing AI trim inside the app so that it automatically cuts out the most interesting parts of the video and compile it to make a short video. So I've now actually split the standalone camera here on the magnetic pendant and the action pod. And the useful thing is I can see exactly what my camera is seeing. So it's really handy. In this orientation, you get the vertical shot. So to recap, this orientation will be vertical shooting, and if you put it horizontally, then you will get the landscape shot. And don't forget to use the easy clip, which is included inside the box. The magnetic strength is now upgraded. And this pivot stand also comes inside the box as well. You've seen plenty already in this video. So it can just go like this. So all magnetic, really secure as well. But the amazing thing about the pivot stand that I really enjoy is that you can actually take off the standalone tiny little camera and you can just place it on the pivot stand like this. Perfect fit. And I can just do selfie vlogging in this kind of way. Really discreet, really tiny, and of course it does come in midnight black as well. So if you prefer the black version compared to the white version, then you can get that. Inside the box, pivot stand comes with the bottom part that's sticky, so it can actually go onto surfaces like inside my car. The sticky reusable surface can now go onto the curvy surface as well. So let me stick that on my car and then use the action pod as the remote control to know what's going on. And in this kind of setup, I love trying the time shift. After use, put the standalone camera back into the action pod, and in total you will enjoy up to 140 minutes of action. So as I've so far shown you, all these mounts, of course they come inside a box. So if you just get this standard box, and it does have 128 gigabytes, so plenty for you to film anything that you want, because 128 gigabytes will really get you a long way. And in the 2.2-inch display, it actually shows you how many hours you have left to record. So everything that you need is inside a box. Now let's talk about some new smart features. The gesture mode. Give a V sign to take a photo. Give the palm up to take the video, and then palm up to stop recording. If you want your life easier, then you can go really effortless with interval video. I've selected the biking within interval video mode, which means it will take 1 minute video at 3 minute interval. I'll turn off the action pod and then take the standalone camera, place it on my chest, and off I go riding. After some time, I check that 2 videos were recorded at 3 minute interval. This interval video will make filming so much easier, especially when you have a lot going on with a lot of people on a holiday. While you're shooting, if you don't like anything, then you can long press the shutter button to instantly cancel and delete the current recording and start all over again. It really saves up the storage space. So I'm amazed that this tiny mighty action camera, it comes now at 4K resolution, so you can always crop in. And this tiny little camera is so pretty, and it can go anywhere with the mounts included inside a box. So in the summertime, if you want a very convenient solution to vlogging, especially if you have a lot going on, you know, if you like riding bicycle, or if you want to go out to the beach with your family, then you have a lot going on out there. So this tiny little camera should be able to help you to capture those beautiful moments. So if you want more detail, then don't forget to check out the link down below, and I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So subscribe, like the video, and see you.